Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Revolution Skincare 2% Salicylic Acid Targeted Blemish Serum. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. Firstly, talking about the pricing of this product, so on Beauty Bay and other international website, it retails for around 699 Indian rupees. But अगर international shipping charges का price इस price में add on करते हैं तो it comes up to what the MRP of this product has been set in India, which is around 1500 Indian rupees, and in that you get around 30 ml of product. Now I know that 1500 for a serum is quite expensive, but honestly whenever I've tried to get my hands on it, I always get it in the price range of 950 to 1000 because it's almost always on discount. So if and when you want to get your hands on it, you can always keep an eye on it, and whenever it's on offer or discount, you can grab it. Next, talking about the packaging of this product, as you can see, it is a basic dropper bottle with a matte finish over it, which makes it a translucent bottle. And since it's a translucent bottle, it does not emit light into it, which is a really great thing because that way the serum inside this is protected. Also, the serum's packaging is very sturdy as well, which makes it very travel friendly too. So now coming on to my take on this product. So firstly, we need to understand that what exactly is salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is actually a type of BHA. It is a chemical active that is made for oily and acne prone skin, as it helps in controlling the sebum production of the skin. It treats the acne by reducing the inflammation of the skin, and it also helps in unplugging or unblocking all the blocked pores of the skin, which helps in shrinking the pimples and the acne and all of those things from the skin. It treats other skin conditions by softening or loosening the dry, scaly or thickened skin so that it either falls off or it can be removed easily. The regular application of any salicylic acid serum also helps in softening the blackheads and whiteheads from the skin so that it can be extracted out easily. Talking about this particular product, so this is basically a salicylic acid serum which happens to have 2% of concentration into it, which is pretty strong for people who have either never tried a salicylic acid or are also beginners when it comes to using chemical actives on their skin, which is why it is highly recommended that you patch test so that you can avoid any kind of allergic reactions or any kind of irritation on your skin. Even if you have been using chemical actives for a while now but you've never used salicylic acid on your skin at all, and this is the very first time that you're using salicylic acid, even then I would recommend you to do a patch test so that you can avoid any kind of purging or irritation on the skin. So now talking about the performance of this product, so just like any chemical active which requires regular and religious usage of it if you want to see its results on the skin, the same goes with this as well. You have to use it regularly if you really want the serum to work on your skin. Honestly, the serum will show great results on your skin within a very quick period of time, like within a week or two. You will start seeing visible results on your skin once you start using the serum for your acne and your pimples and everything. Trust me, I have used this. It works great on acne. It works great in drying out the acne, and then use a niacinamide over it so that you can get over it completely. I am still in that phase. I have gotten acne again, so I'm still using it now. Before this also I have used the same one, but the one before this that I used that had plant enzymes in that, so that was even more beneficial. But वो मैंने Beauty Bay से खरीदा था and उसका shipping charges and everything, and it took a really long time to get delivered, which is why I didn't go for that one. But I got a similar one, which was this one on Myntra, which I got my hands on, and even this one is a pretty impressive one. The only difference between this one and that one, which had plant enzymes, was the plant enzymes thing. I think that was more fast in reacting and showing better results on the skin, but even this one is not that bad either. It works really nicely. The only thing that you need to take care of it is if you start purging, you will have to stop. If it continues to purge, if your skin continues to purge after 2.5 to 3 weeks, you will have to stop. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is that since it is a chemical active that you're using on your skin, you will have to layer it with a sunscreen on top of it so that you can avoid any kind of mishaps that the sun would do onto your skin, because you're using a chemical active, so it tends to make your skin sensitive. So you will have to use an SPF no matter what. These are the only two things that you need to take care of. Yes, obviously you will have to do a patch test so that you can avoid any kind of mishaps that the serum could possibly cause to your skin. The texture of the serum is also quite thick and opaque, but even then it absorbs in the skin very beautifully. It absorbs in the skin really quickly as well. The only put off that I feel about this product is the claim that the brand makes that this is a fragrance free product, but honestly the ingredients list of this product actually tells a completely different story altogether. So if you basically scan through the ingredient list, you will find perfume in it, which actually means that it happens to have added fragrances in it. So this is yet another factor that you need to keep in mind before you start to use any kind of product, because if you are allergic to added fragrances, I'm not, my skin is not allergic, so I don't have an issue with it. But if you have, and even if the brand claims that it is a fragrance free product, it is safe to scan through the ingredients list just to be double sure of the fact that it does not have any kind of added fragrances, so that you do not have to deal with the allergic reactions that the particular ingredient or the perfume would do to your skin. So it is better to be safe than to be sorry, like it said. Just scan through the ingredients list and see whether any product, and not just this one that you use, is actually a fragrance free product like the brand claims it to be or not, so that you can avoid any kind of mishaps that it would do to your skin. Other than that, it works great on acne, it works great on the blemishes, and when paired up with niacinamide, it does absolutely stunning job in making your skin get clean and clear. I would highly recommend you to use this product at least once, because I'm sure, especially if you happen to have oily and acne prone skin, it's going to work beautifully on your skin and you will get that clean and clear skin that you have been looking for since a while now. So that's about it for today's video. If this video was helpful to you, and if this review was helpful to you in any way at all, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.